Hey y'all, it's me Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, the title of today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my DIY girl. I will be showing y'all how I do my DIY lash extensions. They came out really cute. Really cute. I can say that I get better each time I do them. This is probably like my 4th or 5th time doing my own lashes, and they look really cute. But I keep these on for about 5 to 6 days, and I'll take them off, give my eyes a break, and then I'll redo them. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. So let's get started with my lashes. What you're gonna need, you're gonna need a close-up mirror. Yes, you can't do your lashes without it. I don't care if you have one of these or you have one of these, but I highly recommend a mirror that you don't have to hold, because you're gonna need both of your hands. And the lashes I use are the BQ lash clusters. I got this from Amazon, and this is what they look like. The glue I use, this is the Kiss I Envy long lasting individual adhesive, and this is waterproof. This is the only glue I use. I've never had problems with this glue. And then I have a lash tool. Now I got the lash tool and the glue from the beauty supply store, but you can also get it from Amazon. If you want the direct links, they're down in the description box. Now before I get into my lashes, I want to say that when you're doing this, do it at your own risk. It takes practice, and do not rush through it, because you don't want glue in your eyes, and you also don't want to poke your eye. The tool I have, I think this is like actual professional, because look how sharp it is. Be careful. All right, so the lash map that I used last time, I did 14, 13, 12, 12, 12, and then 9. I think that's what I'm gonna go with today. You can do any lash map that you want. It all depends on what you want your lashes to look like. I'm just gonna take this bottle cap to put my glue on top of, and I only literally do a dot, so that's all I need. And this is optional, but I had already cleaned my lashes. But if you want to, you can clean your lashes before doing this. And then I brushed it out and everything. All right, I'm gonna try to angle my camera a certain way so that you can see. So I'm gonna start off with 14 in my outer corner, and y'all, that's not a booger, that's my nose ring. Okay, so I'm gonna start with 14 in my outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and put a dot of glue down. Okay, there's 14. So here's my little glue dot, and I'm literally, see if it'll focus. Don't focus on me. Focus. So I'm literally just gonna dot, wipe off excess. I usually type like once or twice. You don't want to put too much. So I literally like just dip it on there, and then I'll tap off like once or twice to get the excess glue off, and then I'll just glue it right under my lash. Don't put it on your waterline, because it's gonna burn. I'll put it like right under my lash. And then I'll hold for like 3 seconds. And boom, you got your first lash. Now next I'm gonna do, I want to do another 14. I think I'll do another 14, and then I'll do 13. So I'm gonna go in with another 14, and I'll do the same process, and then you glue next to it. Alright, next, this is where I'm going to do 13. And when you're grabbing your lashes off the tray, be careful, because they may rip if you rip them. Pick them up too hard. Okay, that's 13. I think I'm going to do another 13. Make sure to write my lash map down before I forget. So far I did 14, 14, 13, 13. And then most of the time halfway through I like to take a fan and like dry the lashes before I go through and finish. Alright, so next I'm going to go through and put 12 in the middle of my lashes. Alright, that's 12. We're going to do another 12. Alright, that's the second 12. I'm going to do another 12. One thing about this glue, it does dry fast. Alright, that's the last 12. So now we're gonna go with a 9. Really 2 9s. Alright, we're gonna go with one more 9 and that'll be the last one. Really, I could probably go with one more. Yeah, we're gonna do one more 9. So I did 2 9s. We're gonna go with one more because it looks like uneven. Let me write my lash map down before I forget because I forget real quick. It doesn't exactly look like my last set, but it looks good. I try to create kind of like a cat eye effect. Alright, so this is where I take my fan and dry. This looks good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I get better and better each time. Now it's time to do the other side. When I'm doing these, I try to do them as close as possible so like they look full. Yeah. Like, you can't even tell that I did it myself. You can't even tell that I did it myself. Yeah. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Alright, so those are my lashes. If y'all need the lash map again, what I used was 14, 14, 13, 13, 12, 12, 12, and 9, 9. But it also depends on your eye shape of how many clusters you use, but that's how many I use. Those are my lashes. Once again, everything that I use is going to be linked down in the description box. If y'all have any questions, just let me know in the comment section and I will answer them. I will. Thank y'all so much for watching my video, and I will see y'all in my next video.
I ain't your man.